This is a quick video on your Jeep XJ if you're missing your front bump stops. You look up in here, there's no bump stop on there. And the reason why is they fall out. They're just kind of held in with pressure. You kind of look up in there, you can see, you can kind of look up in there. So what you got to get, these things are only about $8 from Quadratec. This is the factory one, 18280.18. See, it fits all the Cherokee models. So we're going to take this out and put it in there. First thing you want to do is jack up your Jeep so the spring is stretched. You don't want to jack it up from the front where it compresses the spring. You want the spring to be stretched. And that's so you can get this thing in between it. And of course, put a jack stand for safety. Alright, the way this goes in is this lip goes toward the top of the vehicle. It goes in just like that. And to make it slide in a little easier, I'm going to spray a little WD-40 on it. Get in there. And if you can't get it to snap in, use a board or something as a wedge. There it goes. Okay. That's what it looks like when it's done. So now you won't bottom out. Hope this helps. Alright, on the rear of your Jeep, if you see on the uniframe something like this, this is the original bump stop and it's missing the rubber. You see the rubber came off, and very common for these old Jeeps, these bolts that bolted to it have broken off, so they need to be drilled out. I'll eventually get to that and put new bump stops back here. So if you see this on there with nothing on it, that's what that is. That's a bump stop. Take it off and clean your rust up. Gross.